In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a disappearing video effect in CapCut. By the end, you'll know how to make your subject fade out smoothly using CapCut's built-in tools, and how to fine-tune the look so it fits your edit. First, open CapCut. If you're on mobile, tap to create a new project. On desktop, click New Project. Choose the canvas or aspect ratio you plan to post in, like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for vertical videos. This ensures the effect lines up the way you want from the start and prevents unexpected cropping later. Next, add your video. Import the clip where you want the disappearance to happen and place it on the main timeline. If you're using multiple clips, make sure the one with the subject you want to vanish is selected and in the right position. A steady shot with consistent lighting will make the effect look cleaner, so if you have options, pick the most stable take. Trim the beginning or end of the clip now if you already know the exact timing of the moment you want to disappear. Now, click on Effects. On mobile, you'll find effects below the preview screen. On desktop, it's usually in the left panel or above the timeline. You're looking for video effects that can be applied across a span of time, so you can control when the disappearance starts and ends. In the Effects section, use the search bar and type Invisible. CapCut includes an effect called Invisible or a similar disappearing style within its library. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check you're in the Effects tab rather than Filters, and make sure your internet connection is active so the library can load. Once you see it, tap or click to preview how it looks on your footage. Finally, apply it to the video. Add the invisible effect to your clip, then look for the effect layer that appears on the timeline. Drag its edges to choose exactly when the disappearance begins and ends. For a smooth, natural fade, start the effect a little before the moment you want the subject to vanish, and extend it slightly past that moment. Many versions of this effect include controls like intensity, strength, or opacity. Dial these in to make the transition subtle rather than abrupt. If the subject disappears too quickly, lengthen the effect. If it lingers, shorten it. Play back your timeline to preview, then make small adjustments until it feels seamless. That's all you need to create a clean disappearing effect in CapCut. Open your project, add your clip, head to Effects, search Invisible, and apply and tweak it for a polished finish.